Welcome. This short tutorial will help you get started with Golang. Let's get started. App string interface is a map whose keys are strings and values are any type. Function we will use later directly from the map. M1 function equals passfunc. Struct M1 mileage equals mileage 13.2, 15.8. We will store in our map. List of options to be encoded as JSON and stored in map M1 sub b, equals JSON.Marshall sub. List of sub-engine items, slice. List to JSON sub can be stored in a map M1 sub model equals string sub b. Convert time to JSON and store it as a string M1 time equals string TT. Map string interface can deal with many data structures. M1 time equals string TT time string. M1 new equals true bool. M1 year equals 2023 int. M1 make equals Ford string. M1 model equals F250 string. M1 submodel equals string sub b JSON string. M1 engine details equals sub-engine list. M1 color equals black string. M1 cab equals 4-door string. M1 price equals 67,000 int. M1 engine equals 7.3 float. M1 fuel equals gas string. M1 transmission equals 10-speed automatic string. M1 function equals passfunc function. M1 mileage equals mileage trucked. Ding, please like and subscribe. Ding.